Hello everyone, welcome to Scratch Coding Ninja. Today's lesson is going to be about costumes and backdrops. So let's jump into the lesson. Hello everyone, so right now I've just opened Scratch. So like I said, we're going to be learning about costumes and backdrops. So a costume is just an alternative appearance of a sprite. A sprite is a character that you can change, like you can program. Like for example, this cat is a sprite, and a back. And in order to change costumes, we have to go to looks and then we click next costume for. So let's say we want to alternate between the first and second costume so that this cat looks like it's running. So we click next costume. When we click next costume, it will alternate between the costumes that are there, like first, second, third. But here we only have two costumes, so it's gonna just alternate like this. So this is gonna happen forever, and Scratch like in this case it's gonna happen really fast because the Scratch completes the tasks instantaneously, so it's gonna happen really fast. So as a result, I'm gonna add a wait for like 0.1 second so that it doesn't seem too fast. And now, so basically this code means when green flag is clicked, it will alternate between the costumes. Wait 1 second, and this is going to happen forever. Now let's see how it works, how it turns out to be. Yeah, and this cat does look like it's running pretty decently well. So and let's say we have a balloon. Now when we want to search for a sprite or background, we have to click their icons. Sprite, a backdrop, it just basically means a background, so just don't worry about that. Now let's say I want to make the balloon float from one side to the other. First we're gonna want to have a backdrop. Let's say a blue sky. And we're gonna have a balloon as a sprite. Now we want to make this balloon go real slow and somehow change colors. So as you can see, this has 3. But let's say I want this to alternate between purple and yellow. I cannot do that by next costume because unless if we use blue, and I don't want to use that in this case. So what we're gonna have to do is use the switch costume. Switch costume to balloon C, which in this case is gonna be purple. Wait 1 second because I said that Scratch completes the tasks instantaneously. Then we go back to actually balloon B, which is yellow. And again, wait for 0.1 seconds. Now we want this to happen forever because if we don't add the forever loop, it's gonna happen only once. So now the command is when green flag is clicked, switch costume to balloon C, which is this one, wait 0.1 seconds, switch costume to balloon B, which is the yellow one, as you can see here. Wait 1.1 seconds and happen forever since we have the forever loop. Now we want this to float, so we're gonna make another one when green flag is clicked. And we will search forever because we want this to happen forever. and we want this to happen real slow, so we're gonna put 5 steps. Now when we click the green flag, everything that you see here is gonna happen. Now let's look at it. See, the balloon's sort of like changing colors and it's moving to the sky. Those are pretty fast, so yeah. But yeah. So this is probably what I have to say. And also, no, actually no, not yet. So let's say if we want to change backdrops. So we're gonna add a backdrop. So maybe a city as well. So at first you wanna have a green when this green flag is clicked. Let's put the balloon back. When the green flag is clicked, oops, yeah, here you already did it here. When green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Not backdrop 1, but blue sky, which is the which is this one. And now we wait for like, let's say, I think 5 seconds, something like that. And then we switch the backdrop to actually I should have done this one. Then we switch to backdrop city with water. We have to also change this. Now what's gonna happen is that the balloon is gonna be floating. This time not changing colors. That doesn't sound too good. But we have this yellow balloon which is floating. And then after it reaches the other side of this blue sky, it's gonna change into the city. It's gonna change into the city. Now let's watch it happen. Yeah, I had just forgotten that this balloon was supposed to come back to the beginning. But yeah, I hope that you understand about costumes and backdrops. So that probably is gonna be the end of the lesson. So yeah. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.